volume up, you get more oxygen in your system, more energy. That's just from vitamin C.
Wow. Now, earlier you talked about the connection between vitamin C and weight loss. How does that work?
Well, this is kind of groundbreaking research on vitamin C and weight loss, but what happens is vitamin C is a natural appetite suppressant, and it also increases your metabolism and your energy. When your energy goes up, you start feeling better. You go out and take a walk, burn some of it off.
So you've created the Super C22 formula. It's a powder.
Right.
You mix it into a great tasting beverage, and folks, you'll love the taste of this. Now, when you take your Super C22 formula, is it something you can feel working? I mean, what can it do?
Well, the first sign of health is more energy. So you're going to have more energy, more mental clarity. You're going to have less pain in your body. Your cholesterol is going to go down. Your triglycerides will go down. The HDL cholesterol, the good one, is going to go up. Blood pressure starts to go down. You have less joint pain. Here, I've got one of my clients, he's from Oregon. He wrote me this letter. He said, Dr. Pincus, he said, I've been on your Super C for several days now, and he says, and one of the first things that happened for him is he's sleeping a lot better now. And he said he used to drag himself out of bed. Now he's waking up, he says, quote, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. The other thing that he wrote, he said, I'm breathing much better now. He says, I used to get winded climbing the stairs at work especially. Now he's breathing better, and he's out walking, he's taking time with his kids.